Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. I put a video up about harvesting elderberries a few days ago and got a lot of response, questions from people on how can they get some of these. And normally it's very easy, you just take cuttings off the stems, but you do it in the early spring, late winter, when the growth just gets started again and the life is coming up out of the ground. I don't know right now if they'll root or not, but I thought, you know, I got plenty of bushes, so why don't we try? So then you'll know if I can, and I can send you some, you'll know exactly what to do with them. So I'm going to cut this one off, trim it down. I would like a little thicker than this, but we'll see how it does. The stem that I just shoved in the ground last year was the third tree this year that we harvested tons of berries off of. So I can tell top from bottom. I'll make this at a slant. This side straight. This one at a slant. Straight. Slant. It already is straight, so there's three. Try a little harder wood here. We'll do this one at a slant. Up to here. So that'll give us four. They're roughly 8 inches, pencil size. Now I'll show you how I'm going to try and root them. This is a fair-sized little tub. Has some Swiss chard in it. It's got some nice soil in it still. So remember, the sharp end goes down. Sharp end goes down, sharp end again, and the sharp end again. And I would like to say there's all these bizarre things you're supposed to do, but that's all I've done in years past, is just take some trimmings like that, shove them in the ground. Now it's Wednesday, July 22nd, I believe. We'll know, come back in about 2 weeks and see how these are doing. If they are, then I'll be able to send people some that have been asking for them. So this is David at Grow and Eat This, doing an elderberry stem experiment. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.